Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick wine at home. First, gather your simple ingredients and equipment. You'll be surprised how accessible this process is, allowing you to create your own beverage without extensive specialized gear. We'll focus on a straightforward method that yields enjoyable results in a relatively short time frame, perfect for beginners. To begin, you'll need 100% fruit juice, about 3 cups of sugar, and a packet of wine yeast. For equipment, grab a 1-gallon jug, an airlock, and a rubber stopper. Remember, cleanliness is crucial. Sanitize everything that will touch your wine to prevent unwanted bacteria. This ensures a clean fermentation and a better-tasting final product. Now, pour your fruit juice into the sanitized 1-gallon jug. Add the 3 cups of sugar, then shake vigorously until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, sprinkle in your wine yeast, secure the airlock and stopper, and place the jug in a cool, dark spot. Fermentation will begin, indicated by bubbles in the airlock, and typically lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. After fermentation ceases, carefully siphon your new wine into clean bottles, leaving any sediment behind. Seal the bottles and let them age for at least 1 to 2 weeks to allow the flavors to meld and mature. This quick method provides a delightful homemade drink. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your handcrafted creation responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.